Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious gravy dumplings. This classic comfort food combines tender, fluffy dumplings with a rich, savory gravy, creating a truly satisfying meal. We'll cover everything from preparing the dough to simmering the perfect gravy. Get ready to create a dish that will warm your soul and impress your family and friends with its homemade goodness. First, let's prepare our dumpling dough. In a bowl, whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Cut in 2 tablespoons of cold butter until crumbly. Then, slowly add 3/4 cup of milk, mixing until a soft dough comes together. Knead it gently for about 60 seconds and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now, it's time to cook those wonderful dumplings. On a lightly floured surface, roll out your dough to about 1/2 inch thick. You can cut it into 1-inch squares or simply drop spoonfuls directly into your simmering gravy. Ensure the gravy is gently bubbling. Cover the pot and let them cook for about 15 to 20 minutes until they are beautifully light and fluffy. Finally, let's ensure our gravy is perfect. You can use pan drippings from roasted meat or a rich broth as your base. Thicken it with a roux made from 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of fat, cooking for 2 minutes. Season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Once the dumplings are cooked, serve them immediately, ensuring each one is wonderfully coated in that delicious, homemade gravy. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.